하겠습니다. 둘, 셋. Hello, we are SERRAFIM. Hi, this is Kazuma. Hi, it's Yoonjae. Hello, this is Taewon. Hello, this is Soundcheck. Hello, this is Sakura. 네, 아시아 투어에서의 마지막 도시 이곳 싱가포르에서의 사운드 체크도 힘차게 시작해 볼까요?
Alright, the last city in the Asia tour, Singapore. Shall we start our sound check with a strong start?
Yuna, are you ready? Love you, Na. Let's go. Don't be afraid. 의심 없지. 손을 잡아. 'Cause tonight 우리 burn to shine. 날 좀 누구나 똑같이 가슴 안에 힘도 잘해. 붉게 물든 빛이 눈 속에 날 영원히 기억해준다면 I'm burning hot. 내가 나로 살 수 있다면 지가 된내도 난 좋아. So tonight I'm gonna put my name running lighted. Not running from it, not running from it. 날 떠오르지 I love it so get love. I'm burning hot. 마치 영원한 속 날아올 무사조같이 마치 그저 같은 걸 내게 더 포기하지 다시 우린 내볼 시간이 없나 날 같았잖아 I hope I die 오늘 언제부길 이만 미련 없이 It's alright ride or die yeah 붉게 물든 왠지 네 속에 날 영원히 기억해준다면 I'm burning hot. 내가 나로 살 수 있다면 지가 된내도 난 좋아. So tonight I'm gonna put my name running lighted. Not running from it, not running from it. 불타오르지 I love it so get love. I'm burning hot.
My monitor's okay.
알겠습니다. 감사합니다.
I'm okay as well. I'm good.
저 가끔 안 들리는데. 네.
I mean, sometimes I cannot hear it.
와우. 와우. 저희가 이번에 싱가포르에 처음 왔잖아요.
We came to Singapore for the first time, right?
저희 보고 싶으셨나요?
Did you guys miss me?
Thank you. 세라핌 처음 본 태어나?
Fear not. Is this your first time singing with SERRAFIM? Raise your hand.
How is everybody feeling? Good? Are you guys excited for tonight?
Good, so are we. We're so excited to see you.
네, alright. 이 분위기 그대로 두 번째 곡을 해볼 건데요.
We're gonna continue with this atmosphere and moving on to the second song.
피아노는 듣고 싶은 곡이 있나요?
Fear not. Do you have a song that you want to listen to?
Anything wrong with singing? That's what you sing on the bus.
Smart! Oh, crazy!
Crazy! Yeah! Let's go!
Just like crazy.
Just like crazy.
있는지 바로 확인해 볼까요?
And shall we move on and check if what is the next song?
Let's go! Go!
Lakers jerseys.
Me and my girl is with my pockets, so it's hardly gonna be feeling like the world is alive. Caught in some traffic, but the radio is buzzing, trouble when I'm saying goodbye. Oh, I'm going on and feel like magic. I got all I need, you know nothing else can be. I'm riding with you and I'm dancing with my girls. Perfect energy, yeah, we flow shall be free. There's no better feeling in the whole wide world tonight. I don't care what's wrong or right. Don't stop moving on. And nothing goes until midnight. Come and take a ride with me. I got a credit card. If someday corporates come through, let's just talk about you I got all I need, you know nothing else can be. I'm ready to feel it, I'm dancing with my girls. Perfect energy, and we flow shall be free. There's no better feeling in the whole wide world tonight. I don't care what's wrong or right. Don't stop blowing up my line. I can better live in 59. And nothing comes until midnight. Yeah, make some noise. Like the morning, feel like magic. I got all I need, you know nothing else can be. The way that I feel when I'm dancing with my girls. Perfect energy, yeah, we flawless and we free. There's no better feeling in the whole wide world tonight. I don't care what's wrong or right. Don't stop blowing up my line. I get ready to live in 59. Don't stop blowing up my line.
Hirna, are you having 터너나? 터너나.
Is it correct?
I don't think they understood.
No,
I
we
tried
don't.
some English, but I don't think you guys understood. I asked if you guys were having fun or not. You guys are having fun? Thank you, sorry.
그나저나 이번 아시아 투어 무대는 저희가 삭소그를 미리 알려주지 않은 걸로 서프라이즈처럼 공연 때 확인하려고 하고 있고요.
Very good. Anyway, for this Asia tour, for this one, we're not going to tell you where the Saki Sit is, but actually show you like a surprise during the actual performance.
그래도 마음의 준비를 하실 수 있도록 힌트를 드릴게요.
But in order for you to get ready, we're gonna give you some hint.
좋아요. 공연 때 당황하실 수도 있으니까 저희가 미리 전 찍어둔 곳으로 가볼까요?
Very good. You might get surprised later. So shall we move on to the area that we had in mind?
Today, Saki is somewhere over here. We might ask you to dance. Will you guys be ready to dance for us? Okay.
어떻게 춤출 건지 한 번만 보여주세요.
Can you please show us how you're going to dance later?
Okay, let's go.
3, 2, 1.
Let's go. 공연 때는 더 흥이 날 수 있겠죠?
I mean, later during the actual concert, you are going to be more excited, right?
오늘 잘 부탁합니다, 사키.
Saki, please, we look forward to you.
네, 그럼 이제 마지막 사운드 체크볼을 해볼까요?
And shall we now move on to the last sound check song?
네, 좋습니다. 지금 여기 앉아있는 피아노도 잘 보이죠?
Very good. And now, all the pianists who are sitting right now, can you see us well?
그러면 한번 일어나 볼까요?
And shall we all stand up?
스탠드! 스탠드! 마지막 곡은요, 피아노가 진짜 듣고 싶었던 곡이거든요.
For the last song, I think this is a song that pianists have been looking forward to and listen to.
그래서 다 같이 점프하면서 큰 소리로 불러보겠습니다.
Stand up and jump and sing along with a loud voice.
Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Let's go! Just like crazy.
희연아, 이따가 더 재밌게 놀 수 있겠죠?
Fear not. Can you have more fun later?
좋습니다. 저희는 잠시 후 이대로 더 찾아뵐 테니까요. 그때까지 조금만 기다려주세요.
Very good. Now we're going to come back later for the actual performance. So till then, please stay tuned and wait for us.
Yes. Are you guys excited for the show later? Are you guys ready to show us some Singapore energy? It's the last show of our Asia leg of the tour. So please show us lots of love, okay? It's gonna be a really memorable show for us, so we're really excited. Thank you so much, guys, for coming. We'll see you later. So excited. Thank you so much, everybody in the back. Thank you. Guys, there's so many Lakers jerseys. I feel like Thank you.
Love you, love.
Be safe, okay, guys? Bye. Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
Aw, you guys are so precious.
Thank you. Thank you. See you later. Yeah.
See you later. Hi. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
허유진 사랑해.
사랑해.
I love you.
I love you. I love you guys.
Love you. I
Thank
love
you.
you.
See you guys later. Drink lots of water.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you. Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
Okay, let us say goodbye. 지금까지 르세라핌이었습니다. See you soon.
Thank you.
See you soon. Bye, guys.
Mwah.